Cheap silicone caulks save money upfront but cost more in repairs when they fail early and grow mold. Premium silicone caulks use higher purity polymers and superior fungicides, which give stronger adhesion to non-porous surfaces like tile, glass, and metal, while remaining flexible through temperature changes. Choose formulations labeled for bathrooms or kitchens because they contain added mold inhibitors and weatherproofing agents. When applying, remove old sealant fully with a caulk remover tool, clean the joint with isopropyl alcohol, allow it to dry, and use painter tape to create straight edges for a neat bead. Cut the tip of the cartridge at a 45-degree angle and apply steady pressure with a caulk gun, then tool the joint within 5 to 10 minutes using a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool to ensure contact and eliminate gaps. Allow at least 24 hours for a full cure and keep the area dry during this period to prevent adhesion problems. For long joints or exterior work, use a BackerRod in gaps wider than 1/4 inch to control depth and prevent 3-sided adhesion, which can cause premature failure. Common mistakes include using cheap builder grade or unknown brands that lack effective fungicides, which leads to mold forming quickly. So select a reputable premium product and check the label for a mold-resistant claim and a clear cure time. Another issue is poor substrate preparation, where dirt or soap residue prevents adhesion, so always remove old sealant, clean with alcohol, and let surfaces dry before you apply new caulk. Many people also apply too deep a bead or skip a BackerRod, causing the seal to tear under movement, so limit joint depth to about 1/2 of the joint width. Use a BackerRod for wide gaps, and tool immediately for a uniform bond. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors so we can find tradespeople who work with quality materials like premium silicone and other durable options. We also host a discussion community where our members share real job experiences and contractor recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find the right matches.